My name is J.D. Kyle.
And I'm Alan Bracken.
We're your two friends from Inside Track Wow. Today we're going to keep on talking to you about John Maxwell's 15 invaluable laws of growth. And today we're talking about something that does not feel good, but it's good for you. And that's the law of pain, Alan.
Law of pain. Let me show you some physical pain. Lay your hand right there, J.D.
Right.
Let me take this.
No, you're not going to hit with that, are you?
I'm going to take this. I was going to show you pain. You move.
Well, that would have been some pain for me, man.
You think that'd have hurt?
That would have hurt
what
very,
about
very
this
bad.
if I just whacked you right upside the head hard as I could? Like on that ear right there. Would that hurt?
That would also cause some pain.
I got a gun here. You think I could shoot you in the leg or something, cause you some pain?
That might have you minus a friend, but also would create some pain. Absolutely. That would.
I know you got nervous when I brought my weapon out, and because you said this is law of pain, not law of death.
Exactly. We're not trying to kill nobody today.
So this is physical pain. But really, what are we talking about?
We're really talking about the law of pain, and it says simply that good management of bad experiences can create growth.
Okay.
Bottom line is we all have them, and I don't want you to share some insights for us.
We all have these bad experiences in life that are painful. Mm-hmm. I have experienced some pain in the arena of relationships at times, particularly within my marriage with Amanda, and self-inflicted. I brought it on myself. You know, I'm not blaming her. Right. But what I know is those tough, painful experiences when I've chosen to get counseling and get help, I've learned and grown from them.
Right.
Whereas I've seen people that ignore it, think it'll go away, think it'll get better, end up divorced, don't learn, don't grow from it, aren't better for it, get married again, and keep having the same painful experience, but not learning and growing from it.
That's no good.
So what we want to do is challenge you in your painful experiences that we're going through in life. What are you doing to manage it right? What are you doing to learn and grow from it?
Absolutely, absolutely. Everybody has them, nobody wants them, and few take the opportunity to choose to grow from it. Make sure you're choosing to grow and learn to grow from your bad situations.